today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an HKS high power, brand new catback exhaust system. Take a look at this thing, guys. This has got a monster freaking tip on it, holy crap. But I think this thing's gonna really improve the sound of this car. I can't wait to hear it. So today's video is gonna be pretty straight to the point, guys. I know you guys wanna hear this thing as much as I do. Already it does have a Pro Drive exhaust system here, but if you follow this build series so far, it does have a pretty nasty dent on the bottom. Installing an exhaust system is pretty simple. So I'm just gonna set the camera down, get a time lapse going, and let's get this thing done. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, so before installing the new exhaust, what I like to do is set everything out and kind of compare the old setup on the left to the new setup. Now you can see that the HKS unit has this nice coating. It's a larger diameter pipe. Obviously the muffler tip is much bigger. This HKS unit also does have a little flex joint. That's good just to make sure that there's no cracking or anything like that. Gives a little bit of leeway in terms of the installation and also in terms of any variability you might have. So overall, looks like the hangers are in the correct location. I am very excited to see how this goes. Just gotta swap over the rubber hangers and then we'll get this thing on.
A few minutes later.
Got all of the hangers all swapped over. Kind of a pain in the butt sometimes when they're really tight, but was able to do that. And I also put some more foam onto the tip. Obviously that's the most critical part. I wanna make sure that that does not get damaged. Now inside the box, comes with a sticker, it comes with some hardware, and it comes with the two gaskets. What I've always done is loosely installed all of the hardware and connected the two pieces together. That way that when I'm underneath, all I have to do is just tighten it up. Now I just want to reiterate one more time, this is not tight, it's just loose to make sure I have all the right hardware. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is get the exhaust from the muffler section onto the hangers and then work my way that way. This system's pretty unique that it really doesn't have that many hangers, so I don't think this will be too difficult, but as I mentioned earlier, I wanna make sure that the canister and the tip here does not get damaged by falling off or something like that. So let's just get it done, just slide them over. Whoa, and just like that, the exhaust is done. So I got everything hooked up on the hangers. It's pretty easy, pretty much just reversing what I did later. And now for the finishing touch. Woo! Dang! That looks freaking killer. So let's grab this extra precautionary stand. Let's get this thing down on the ground. Let's turn it on for the first time. Cold start for the HKS high power WRX 05 exhaust.
should come listen to this.
All right, HKS high power rev time. Here we go. That sounds sick.
Sounds
yeah,
really
little,
good,
little
right?
pop too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it sounds
I think
great.
it sounds great.
And it looks awesome too. You know, one of the things that I like about the HKS is it actually angles to the side, doesn't come straight out. I think that's a pretty cool touch. Overall, looks good, sounds good.
Sounds really good.
Sound good?
Really good.
Cool. Success. All right, so that pretty much wraps up the exhaust install on the Subi. Sounds pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now remember, we're giving this car away once it's completed. There's a ton of extra mods. If you guys are interested in taking home the Subi, all you have to do is join Throtl VIP for automatic entry. Now remember, in July, if you sign up, you get 6 entries. If you sign up in August, you get 4, and you sign up in September, you get 2. So early bird gets the worm. You wanna get the most entries so you can win this thing. We have a ton of awesome stuff planned. So that's all the time I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.
One eternity later.
Sabrina's put together an awesome surprise party for TJ for hitting 1 million subscribers. So TJ, if you're watching this, dude, congratulations, man. Keep killing it. You're a huge inspiration to so many people, and so happy to call you one of my greatest friends. Bye.
What is up, Throtl crew? It is Jordan or 3 Cities. I'm 20 years old out of Kennewick, Washington, and I drive this beautiful fluorescent yellow Pandem version 3.5 Subaru BRZs. One, I have a lot of modifications on the exterior. You know, carbon fiber hood from Say Bond, the Pandem kit, like I said, RVO wheels, full on air ride, tank in the back, full custom interior. We've done so many things on this car from on the exterior and interior, but the biggest plans for my BRZ is that we're gonna be pushing it over 500 horsepower. And you're asking yourself, Jordan, that's a lot of horsepower for a BRZ. And we're gonna be building this while the BRZ gets its full custom turbo setup onto it. Yes, I said full custom setup. We are doing a 1-of-1 turbo front mount setup onto this BRZ and be pushing over 500 horsepower. Luckily, I'm partnered up with a lot of companies that are making this dream possible. I've been a part of Throtl for about 2 months, and honestly, best experience I've had in a long time. Evan, Brad, Mickey, the whole entire Throtl crew, you know what? I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for doing what you guys do. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, do those fun things you guys already know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.